Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I provide you the full comparison of TP-Link Archer C64 versus Archer C6. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, let's talk about wireless standards. Wi-Fi 5.802.11 AC is available on all two devices. Dual band is available on all two devices. Maximum speed 12,000 Mbps, 867 Mbps on 5GHz, 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz is available on all two devices. Antennas. 4 external antennas is available on all two devices. Beamforming is available on all two devices. MIMO is available on all two devices. Gas network is available on all two devices. Parental controls is available on all two devices. VPN pass-through is available on all two devices. USB port is not available on 664 and is available on 66 as you can see. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. And if you want to purchase any of these products, I provide the link in description. So support the channel. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.